So hi, I'm Gauri Shringarpure and I'm a psychotherapist. I am also a faculty on the Queer Affirmative Counseling Practice Certificate course run by Mariwala Health Initiative. So essentially, I'm here at BITSLAW School for a training workshop on gender and sexuality and mental health from the margins, which is essentially a program to give a sense of what gender and sexuality means and how we unintentionally bring about discrimination and oppression on people who belong to non-normative genders and sexuality. So that's the kind of understanding that we were intending to give for these students here, and then also make students understand that what are the things that we can do for the people from the LGBTQI community. And towards this objective, we touched upon a little bit on the lived experience of people from the community. So that was the entire intention of this particular workshop, and it is lovely that a school like BITSLAW School is doing this, because when we're talking about law and the LGBTQI community, I think it's important that the people from the legal side understands the community better to formulate laws which are in alignment with the lived realities of people on the margins on account of gender and sexuality. So it was a wonderful interaction that I had with the students. This was a lovely thinking lot and very open to what was being discussed. The difficult conversations, but extremely rich. So I'm really glad that this happened, and I'm hoping that whatever was spoken about, whatever was discussed in this particular session that we had would be taken forward by these young students. They're all first year students, yet I could see so much of hope in them taking this forward in their practices when they move out from here. So thanks, BITSLAW School, and I think all the best to all of these people here. I'm really glad that I was here. Thank you so much.